What's up, guys? Dan here. This is my normal setup, and usually out in the living room. This is going through. Turns out, like, when I upgraded to my new phone, I forgot to upload Pro Wrestling Crate November's. What was the theme? Can't remember what the theme was. But then we got like Xbox autograph, Jurassic Express shirt, Ric Flair shirt, Young Bucks book, and one. Can't remember what the Michael Brawler was. And like my room is kind of going under some stuff. Cause I had a couch which had like some stuff on, and a TV stand like right here, which had all my collectibles on, all my Michael Brawlers. I took those out into the living room. And I just need to go through all this stuff. So all that stuff should be in here somewhere. Probably post, if I remember to, post this picture here. Shows everything that I got in November's since last year. Can't remember what, June or July when I signed up. 2018? Yeah, 2018. When I signed up for Pro Wrestling Crate. I've got every box. Well, no, actually. No, I missed last November's Texas one. Anyways. So, Pro Wrestling Tees. Black Friday order. Came today. Christmas Eve. December 24th. Yeah. Now, there's a couple things in here I got from my friends for Christmas, but most of the stuff in here is mine. Okay, I see how they did this. Okay, so let's start off with shirts I got my friend Justin for Christmas. That is the NWA shirt. The Power shirt. I guess you can only get that on NWA's website. Oh, okay, I see they switched over to the Next Level apparel shirts. What were they using before? Gildan. That's what they were using before. Ultra Cotton. That's what they were using before. Now, Next Level. So my friend Sean, my best friend. It's a large, right? Yeah, it's large. He wants the, when we were in Edmonton back in September, we were at Hot Topic. He was looking just for normal Bullet Club shirt. Couldn't find this like an ad for Christmas. I got myself the Adam Page shirt. I'm here to do cowboy shit. Amen, Adam Page. AEW. I was thinking we're giving that one to Sean, but I'm just gonna keep it for myself. Okay, I think this should be the last item that I know of. The rest should all be mystery. Yeah. This is a Pro Wrestling Tees logo towel. I can see the design, love it. Pro Wrestling Tees towel. Someone just texted me from my old phone, so I'm gonna answer that later. Alright, so I did, I think it was 3 Michael Brawlers mysteries, and then 10 Pro Wrestling Crate collectibles mystery. And I do believe there is a 8x10 autograph in here, because I spent more than $100 for a Black Friday sale. Let's see, what is this? I feel this might be the autograph. There's also another thing in here that's like that. Okay, that's an autograph. That's autograph. We are going to save that till the end. Okay, and this one's got collectibles in it. Okay. I think that one is Michael Brawlers. Let's do Michael Brawlers first. I actually really love doing this. I might actually just more from Pro Wrestling Tees. Okay, there's my just because that seemed to be hard to open. Okay, who do we got? Okay, we got Jim Ross, which I already have this one. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Oh, I mean, technically, I could have 2. I don't know. Okay, ooh, nice. So, the one Pro Wrestling Crate I missed last year, November 2018, Eddie Guerrero. That was a Michael Brawler. So that's awesome, and I've actually got that. And then we got another MJF. Now we did 3 Michael Brawlers. That's it for that. So that's a bag. So then, Pro Wrestling Crate collectibles. These are like the random items they can get. Because Pro Wrestling Crate by Pro Wrestling Tees, you get 2 shirts, you get an 8x10 autograph, you get a pin, you get a Michael Brawler, and then some random item. Okay. What do we got here? Ooh, okay. Okay. The Rock and Roll Express earbuds. Nice red cord. It's got the audio jack. So for me, I need to get my little adapter piece for my phone. What is this? Oh, okay. We've gotten this before. The Last Real Man's Pocket Knife, Silas Young. just got this. I think this was November. I'm pretty sure. Was the pin or something like that. Yeah, November. Goldberg. World Heavyweight Championship. Big Gold. Wasn't sure if they had WCW on there, but Goldberg. Big Gold World Heavyweight Championship pin. Chainsaw Charlie pin. We got this before. Ribera Steakhouse, Tokyo, Japan. What's we got here? So we got a couple posters. And then a couple things down here. Couple stickers. Looks to be it. Okay. Killer Elite Squad, Lance Archer, Austin, Texas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Neil Dashwood, All About Me. Got that before. And then we got these two before. Posters. Edgy Christian. Podcast of Awesomeness. And then this one is the Major Wrestling Figure Podcast with Matt Cardona and Brian Myers. Kind of Back to the Future kind of style. Haven't got this one before. Best of Indies Part 2. I love it. By Pro Wrestling Tees, Kevin Steen, Adam Cole, Penta L0M, Cody Rhodes, Joey Ryan, Marty Scurll, Jay Lethal, Tommaso Ciampa, and Colt Cabana. And they got Adam Cole and Kevin Steen or Kevin Owens. That's pretty cool. Okay. So, last but not least, is the autograph. Where, yes, they do sell some autographs on their website, which I probably also could have done. But this one, if you spend $100 or more, you get an 8x10 autograph by legend wrestler. It looks like we got Zack Sabre Jr., which believe, yeah, we already have his from Pro Wrestling Great. Kind of sucks that's a duplicate. I'm sure I can give it away. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, new channel, hit the subscribe button, and all the good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.